Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Canva AI for branding. Let's get started. First, search for the Canva AI and click the official link. Then here, you can see the prompt box in the Canva AI and you can type your idea and click generate. The Canva AI will automatically generate ideas, social media posts, and brand visuals based on your prompt. You can customize your design by editing the fonts, colors, layout, images. You can also use the Canva AI tool to write or generate captions and brand content. And once satisfied, you can download your design and use them across your social media platforms and marketing platforms. And that's it. That's how you use a Canva AI for branding as beginner. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.